Embark on a joyful journey to the past, savoring the serene coastal living at this beautifully restored oceanfront home in Kitty Hawk. Built in 1955 and meticulously maintained, this 3-bedroom, 1-bath gem exudes its historic charm while seamlessly blending modern conveniences. Soak in the captivating allure of its vintage appeal, which harmoniously merges the calm of yesteryears with contemporary updates. As you step inside, the bright great room welcomes you with warmth and comfort. The great room is adorned with its bright living and dining areas, featuring newer hickory luxury plank flooring. Admire the fully equipped kitchen, which has been thoroughly remodeled and reconfigured, showcasing modern stainless steel appliances, ample storage places, and a custom window granting breathtaking views. Journey down the hall to discover 2 generously sized bedrooms with refinished hardwood floors and a shared, conveniently located bathroom. Enjoy recently installed tile flooring, a new vanity, lighting, and hardware. The 3rd bedroom is located on the south side of the cottage, offering 2 twin beds and a smart TV. This cherished home blends into its surroundings. Sip your morning coffee or indulge in peaceful contemplation on the covered decks and porches, capturing the fragrant salt breezes. The rooftop deck, accessible via the back stairs, unveils even more spectacular vistas, and it introduces you to a bonus space that promises additional room for relaxation or entertainment. This oceanfront haven is more than a home, it's a legacy waiting to be embraced. Seize the opportunity to own a piece of history and indulge in the timeless allure of coastal living. Contact us today for more information or a private showing. And for more 411 on the Outer Banks, please like and subscribe below. Thank you for joining and have a wonderful day.